Using a check card is a convenient and secure way to make purchases and manage your finances. A check card, also known as a debit card, is linked to your checking account and allows you to withdraw funds or make purchases directly from your account. To use a check card, start by making sure you have sufficient funds in your checking account. You can check your account balance online, by phone, or at an ATM. Once you have confirmed that you have enough money in your account, you can use your check card to make a purchase. When making a purchase, simply swipe your card through the card reader or insert it into the chip reader. Depending on the type of terminal, enter your personal identification number, or PIN, to authorize the transaction. You can use your check card at any merchant that accepts debit cards, including grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants, and online retailers. In addition to making purchases, you can also use your check card to withdraw cash from an ATM. To do this, insert your card into the ATM, enter your PIN, and select the withdrawal option. Choose the amount of cash you want to withdraw and take your card and cash. You can use your check card anywhere that accepts debit cards, including in the United States and internationally. However, be aware that some merchants may charge a foreign transaction fee if you use your card outside of the United States. To get the most out of your check card, it is essential to practice good financial habits. Make sure to keep track of your account balance and transaction history to avoid overdrafts and ensure that you have enough money in your account to cover your purchases. You should also keep your card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your check card with confidence and convenience. Remember to always monitor your account activity and keep your card and PIN secure to ensure a safe and successful transaction experience.